big kids! So today we're going to be looking at Anna and Elsa, the Frozen edition. And at the end of the video, we're going to be looking at these two random mystery unicorn balls. But you'll have to stay tuned to see this, because we're going to be opening them at the end. Those are my absolute favorite mystery balls. So let's go ahead and look at Anna first. Let's take her out. Now, honestly, Frozen is one of my all-time favorite movies, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and just rip her out like that. Set this box to the side. Now, wow, you guys, look at her. She has this like really, really gorgeous like ginger hair and like really, really blush cheeks and like gorgeous blue eyes. I really love her outfit though. Like purple is my all-time favorite color. It's really nice fabric. Look at her. You can also take her shoes off too. Wow, you guys, look at that. Maybe we could like mix Anna and Elsa's shoes a little bit. Let me go ahead and set her right here to the side with her boots, of course. Now, you guys, let's take a look at Elsa. Wow. Personally, Olaf is my favorite character in the Frozen series. But tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm gonna go ahead and rip her out. Just like, oh, and her shoes came off. Look at that. Oh, they come in like separate packaging. I love her shoes because they really look like...
Oh my god, they're like, so nice.
Yeah, they look like glass crystals a little bit, you guys. You tell me.
Whoa.
Look at that. They're like this really cool baby blue, icy kind of blue color.
Whoa.
Look at that.
I really want a pair.
Now, before we get into Elsa, let's see if they would fit on Anna. I think they should be able to. If we just pop that on. Oh, perfect. Oh, no, I'm sorry, you guys. Maybe if I dip it in there a little bit more. There we go. Now she'll fit them perfectly fine. Look at that, you guys. Oh, they keep falling off. I bet we can put them back on. That'd be okay. See, just like that. We spread her legs a little. Maybe. Oh, nah, that's okay. We'll put them on Elsa. Now look at Elsa. She has like this really white blonde hair color and like this pale skin. And you can also take off her dress and like swap them too. But she has this like floral kind of like snowflake pattern on her dress. I love her dress color though, baby blue, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Now let's put her shoes on her to see what those would look like. Go ahead and dip that one on. Dip that one on. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Let's put I'm sorry, Anna's shoes back on. Dip that right there. We'll put that right there. Ah, look at them. Look how good they look together, you guys. They don't even look like sisters. That's crazy. Oh, it did? Oh, that's okay. We'll get that back later. But let's go ahead and put that shoe back on. And we'll set these right here to the side. Now, I know y'all have been waiting for these mystery gifts. Toy box. Not toy box. Toy little sphere. Let's go ahead and open this one. Now, these are called the Unicorn Squad. I really recommend you'll get these because these are my absolute favorite. Let's see how it spins. Let's open it. Now you have to find the perfect edge to open it right around there. Just like that. Now you just peel it down. Oh, let's not lose it. No! Ah, almost. There we go, you guys. Just take this little package off. Kind of looks like a little bit like a watermelon, huh? Now you guys tell me in the comments down below. This right there. Now all you have to do is dip your finger and pop that little, oh, wrong one. This one right here. You just peel it back. Now this main big sphere right here, this is where the actual unicorn is, but we'll set that to the side. Let's see all her little things that come with it. So I'll pop this open. Just like so. Okay. Now, I've seen these stickers before. These are like the little water bottle potion type of stickers. Really, really cute. Oh, we're gonna put that down for you guys. Let that focus a little. There we go. Those are really cute. Let's set those right there. Now, this is like a golden comb. I think this could also work on like Anna and Elsa. Let's do her hair. Wow, that works perfect. Oh, oopsie. That works perfectly. Just down like that. Let me go ahead and straighten out her crazy looking hair, you guys. I love her like little braids at the top right there. That is absolutely adorable. We'll set that right there to the side. Take this little comb out. Wow, you guys, look at oh, we got this putty. Look at this, you guys. Now I already know this is gonna smell like grape. Let's go ahead and see. Go ahead and take that out for y'all. There we go. Almost. Oh, wrong edge. Just like so. We go ahead and... Ooh, these are more confusing than I thought they would be. Just like that. Let's go ahead and take it out. So I'll take a little... You guys go ahead and take a smell of that. Tell me what it smells like. It smells like grape, doesn't it? Let's see. Let's take that out for y'all to see. Almost. There we go. Now I got it out. I'm gonna roll it up in a ball for you guys. I'm gonna set it right there. Gorgeous. Now let's open up the last little sphere. Okay, you guys, now look, it comes with four kind of baby blue boots that you can just put on her with this little potion kit right there. That is amazing. We'll put that down there for y'all. Now, for the moment of truth, let's get into it, you guys. Let's see the unicorn that we get. I really hope. Oh, I've never seen this one. Oh no, we got this. We got this one. That is so cool, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and stick the hair on her, just like so. We're gonna put her ears. Oh, horn goes right in here. Oh, almost got it. Horn, and then boom, look at that, you guys. She looks absolutely adorable. I love her like little glitter that would focus. A little glitter horn that looks really good, you guys. That is so nice. I love her like golden brownish skin. I'm gonna go ahead and set her right here so we can go ahead and put her little boots on, just like that. There we go. Put those little boots on. Wow, you guys. Now she looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys take a little peek at her right here. Leave her right there. Now let's open the other sphere. We'll set all this little stuff to the side right here. We'll leave her right around there. Move all this. Now let's see what's in this sphere. I really hope we get a new one, you guys, because I've actually gotten that one before, but it's not fun. It's okay. More the merrier, huh? Now we just open this little ball, just like so. Let's see what we get. I'll take this top part off first, I guess. So when I take it apart, it'll just fall out really easily. There we go. There we go. Now, I already told y'all, but this little edge is for the unicorn, and these are all the little accessories. I think this time, I'm going to go ahead and open the unicorn first. Take that little piece off. Right there. Oh, okay, you guys. I thought we got the same one. But this, look at, like, it kind of looks the same a little bit, but the hair is different.
Whoa.
It looks the same. It has the same kind of horn and stuff, but the hair, we'll go ahead and look at the hair, you guys. That's like a little mohawk.
Whoa.
It's like silver, pink. Oh, I wish that would focus. And like purplish. That is a gorgeous color, you guys. Look at that. I'll go ahead and put that on her. Set that now. Right about there we go. That part's the top. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. I really do love the color of the hair. That's so unique. I've never seen this mohawk before. And like I said, I love how the horn sparkles and glitters. I'm gonna go ahead and put, oh, we still have the accessory pass to look at. Let's go ahead and see what type of shoes she has. Let's go ahead and tip this part down. Just like so. Now she comes with this purple kind of, wow, you guys, look at that. That's like a little guitar. Let that focus. There we go. It's like a little guitar. Look at that. Set that right there. Let's see what this is. Oh, we've already seen this putty before, you guys. It's the purple putty. We'll go ahead and set that right there by the other one we already opened. Put her right there. Now these are gonna be the, whoa, you guys. Look at that.
Whoa,
that comes with like its own guitar. Let that focus. It comes with its own guitar. That is really cool. Look at that. It's like see-through. And her shoes are two different colors. It's like purple and pink. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on for y'all to see. I think I want to mix and match. I'm gonna do pink and purple in the front, and same thing with the back. I'm gonna put that right here. These are like boots, huh? They're not really shoes. Well, they are shoes, but moreover. There we go. Put that in there. Put that in there. Just like so. And y'all cannot tell me that does not look absolutely amazing. I'm gonna put them side by side. Y'all tell me in the comments below which one's your favorite. Personally, I like this one more, but this one's also really cute too. There's no problem with it. Now, this is my absolute favorite thing about the whole entire one. I already showed y'all this, but it's like the see-through kind of clear glassy guitar. Now, you guys,
Can Anna and Elsa have some stickers?
Oh, let's also put the stickers on them. We'll put them right here. Let's put this, where do y'all want the sticker, on her face? Yeah, let's do it on her face. We'll do it on her mouth. Just like that. Now we'll put this other potion one on Anna. We'll put it, yeah, we'll just put it on her cheek and her kind of her chin. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that kind of funny? Look at that. Wow, you guys. Now, thank you for watching today's video. Make sure to click that big red subscribe button, that thumbs up like button, and that notification bell. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Bye, big kids.